I thank Madam Maria Villa for inviting me to read a poem on the occasion of the International Day of Disappeared Detainees. My poem is titled For Khethi, and this is for a poet named Khethi who disappeared, who was actually killed in custody. And this happened in Burma, so about the current political turmoil in Burma, Myanmar. I first read in my native language, Hindi. खेती के लिए एक बार फिर सेना ने किया था सत्ता पलट, एक बार फिर घर में कैद थी सू की, एक बार फिर सारे अधिकार छीन लिए थे लोगों के सेना ने, और एक बार फिर चुप रह जाएगी जनता, सोचा था मिलिट्री हुंता ने। किंतु सड़कों पर उमड़ आए बर्मा म्यांमार के बुद्धिजीवी और निकल पड़ा विरोध में सारा समाज। अस्त्र उठाए निहत्थों पर दमनकारियों ने मारा गया आज़ादी की कविता पढ़ता एक कवि, सिर में लगने से गोली। खेद थी तुम तो उसकी शहादत पर पढ़ने गए थे मरसिया, खेद थी तुम तो उसकी शहादत पर पढ़ने गए थे मरसिया, लेकर बगावत का ऐलान। वो दाग सकते हैं हमारे सरों में गोली, वो नहीं निकाल सकते हमारे दिल से आज़ादी का ख्वाब। कहा था तुमने, क्या उन्होंने निकाल लिया तुम्हारा दिल तुम्हारे सीने से, लेकर तुम्हें हिरासत में? बोलो खेद थी, कुछ तो बोलो। For Khethi. There was a military coup once again Suki in house arrest. Once again the rights of the people robbed by the army. Once again the oppressors imagined the public will take it all. But they rebelled. Pouring on to the streets were intellectuals, workers, everybody really finally transitioning to democracy. The military junta raised its weapons and began to kill. The military junta began to kill. Poets protesting shot to death, shot in the head. Dear Khethi, you simply mourned at his funeral, vowing to never surrender. They can kill, but never take the dream of independence out of our hearts, you said. Dear Khethi, did they take your heart out in prison? Please say something, dear Khethi. Thank you so much. With this poem, I pray for all the disappeared detainees. May some be found. I pray for their families, and I hope that there are no more such cases of international detentions and disappearances. Thank you. May there be peace in this world and happiness for all. Thank you so much.